This dance is called Whoohoo Living on a Prayer. 32 count, 4 waltz. There are 2 restart and 1 tag in this dance. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot. Step right forward, step left forward. Forward, lock step with the right. Forward, lock step. Step left, forward, recover. Make a quarter, shuffle to the left. Side, together, side. So with the count for section 1. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2. Cross right over left. Point left to left. Cross left over right. Point right to right. Make a jazz pop quarter turn to the right. Cross back quarter forward. Section 2 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Step your right diagonal. Diagonal. Step left next to right. Do knee hop. Up, down, up, down. Repeat the same for the left. Diagonal. Step. Up, down, up, down. Section 3 with the count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last section. Weight is on the left. Step right forward. Make a pivot half turn to the left. And make another quarter turn to the left. Step left next to right. Make a jazz box. Cross, back, side, forward. So last section with the count. After knee pop. Weight on the left with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you finish the dance here. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there are 2 restarts during wall 5 and wall 10 after 8 count. Let me show you wall 10. Facing 9 o'clock. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the end of wall 10 for 8 count, and you do a restart here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Alright? So from wall 10 here facing 6 o'clock will be wall 11. At the end of wall 11 there is a tag. So facing 6 o'clock we'll do wall 11 together. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of wall 11. You do a tag. Out, out, in, in. The count will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And you start the dance again. Facing 9 o'clock. Walk, walk, step, rock, recover, quarter shuffle.